what's up guys? Welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika, and today I'm going to be talking about the fitness mentality. This is a short video, but I request you all to watch this video because it's important that you know what I have to say. A few months back, I already made this video about how fitness influencers are trying to sell you things that are not necessarily good for you. So if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to watch it after this one is over. But today I'm going to be talking about the mentality inside the fitness industry as well as people who are outside the fitness industry. Now, I have noticed that the people in the fitness industry have been selling things like get a toned body in 2 weeks or get those amazing muscles in a month or stuff like that. And it just made me wonder that why is it always about aesthetics, about how you look, and not about how you perform or about health or lifestyle change or even fitness. And it made me realize that 90% of the people exercise because they want to look good, and only remaining 10% exercise for a healthy lifestyle and to live a disease free life. And that is the main reason you are being sold plans which are basically all about how you look. But what you guys have to understand is that if you actually work out to be healthy, to be stronger, to be fit, then you are eventually going to fall in love with your body as well. Your body is a byproduct of the work that you are putting in for fitness or to live a healthy lifestyle. And it's important that you understand this, because I have seen people going all crazy to get that perfect body. And define perfect, by the way. Everybody's thought process is different. Everybody's way of looking into things is different. For some people, getting a tiny waist with big, thick thighs is an ideal body. For some people, being bulky is ideal body. For some people, just having a toned body is ideal body. So it all depends on how you look. So, and that is why it is important that you work towards health instead of working towards good looks. Now keep the bodybuilders aside, because that's their sport. They have to look a particular way to be up on that stage and to win that competition. They live for this thing. But I'm talking here about the general population. It's important that you stop comparing your bodies to those ideal bodies, because everybody is different, okay? And also just wanted to talk about this thing which is recently going on, that you need to measure your waist with your earphone, and that will say whether you are thin or you are fat. And that is absolutely crazy. I mean, come on. Challenges are like this are making people go crazy, making people starve themselves, making people not eat food, and just wanting to lose that extra pounds of weight to look a particular way. And it's important, guys, that you take this seriously and that you don't do things to look a particular way. I'm telling you this because I was also like that when I started my fitness journey. I wanted to look a particular way, and I literally quit carbs because I thought carbs will make me fat and only protein will make me get those amazing muscles, which was absolutely stupid. So it's important that you know that your meal plate should have fat, good fats, protein, carbohydrates, eat lots of veggies, and these are important stuff. The main thing that you should be working towards is your health. And how can you be healthy? By sleeping minimum 7 to 8 hours at night, by drinking lots of water, by eating a bowl of veggies in every meal, by eating lean protein. So make sure you do these things, and before you know it, you are actually going to get a good body. You don't really have to think about that I have to get a good body, I have to work towards getting a good body. You don't have to think about all that. Just think about how can you have a good gut, how can you be happy, how can you work towards being healthy. I think this video was important because lately all the people that are approaching me for online training are talking about, give me a plan for thin thighs, give me a plan for flat belly, and they don't understand the importance of health. Having flat belly doesn't necessarily mean you are healthy, okay? having those muscles doesn't necessarily mean that you have a good gut. So it's important that you work towards health and lifestyle change and not towards the way you look. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions, comment below and I would love to get back to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment and hit that red subscribe button. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next video.